You can see we hit 38 degrees in Merrill and Wausau, all the way up to the 40s in Stevens Point and Wisconsin Rapids. And these are numbers that we're going to get very much used to over the next week, if you haven't already gotten used to them over the past couple of weeks. Our low temperature tracker, though, is likely the most important thing that we're going to see moving forward, as it means that the rainfall that's going to be falling over the next few days will be not turning into ice for the vast majority of the area. Maybe a little bit of ice accumulation up in the Northwoods where temperatures could drop into the 20s. But for most of us, each day moving forward, our low temperature will be warmer than freezing. And of course, our high temperatures will be extremely warm as well, up to 42 on Saturday, 47 on Sunday. That would be a record-breaking high temperature. 45 for Christmas this year, and still in the 40s by Tuesday before hitting the upper 30s. That overall is about 10, 15, or even 20 degrees warmer than normal for this time of year. Let's take a look here at the satellite and radar picture. You'll notice there is a nice mix of clouds and clearing, but it does look like the clouds are starting to increase as we head into the overnight hours. Off to the far southwest, we're tracking a weather system that is, once again, rainfall, and that is a system that is headed our way over the weekend. Future track forecast going to show the development of that rain system. You'll notice here on Friday that there is a chance for a couple of sprinkles, most of that here around midday, but we could see a few spots of rain as early as maybe 5 or 6 o'clock early on tomorrow. 9 o'clock still showing some very scattered activity, but for most of us, if we do have any rain, it's going to be sprinkles and drizzle. Not much of a concern. In fact, you probably don't even need to bring that umbrella with you tomorrow. It just might be a good idea to maybe wear that water-resistant jacket. Heading into the afternoon, still looking at very similar activity, though as you mentioned, this is not much of a concern. What will be a concern will be headed our way for the end of the weekend. Take a look here at our extended future track. We're looking at Sunday afternoon, a good chance of heavier rainfall developing, especially for areas in the southwestern corner of the state. That continues all the way into Monday morning, and you might be thinking, okay, we got 12 hours of rainfall. Well, let's keep going. Monday afternoon, still looking at rain. Tuesday morning, still a good chance of rain. And then Tuesday night into Wednesday, there is still a chance that this weather system could continue. You'll notice here by Wednesday, though, there's a small chance as well of a bit of mixing with sleet and snow up in the Northwoods. All this is subject to change, I might say, over the next couple of days. But the main thing we're tracking is, of course, rain, and quite a bit of it. We could see anywhere from an inch to an inch and a half of rainfall just over that period from Sunday through Tuesday or Wednesday. Tonight we drop down to 31, cloudy with a chance of sprinkles, an east-southeast wind of 5 miles per hour. Forecast tomorrow looking a lot like this. Gray day out there, high 38, southeast winds of 5 to 10. 7-day forecast moving forward puts it all together. Good chance of rainfall this weekend, small chance of rain out there tomorrow. Bit of morning fog possible on Saturday, though the daytime hours should be dry. We're also noticing it turning in just a little bit breezy for Monday and Tuesday with temperatures in the 40s. And you'll notice here into the next week, we are looking at, once again, very mild temperatures.